Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no license error in Steam Tools. So here's what you gotta do. You wanna open your Steam, go to settings. Now head over to download, scroll down till you find clear download cache. You wanna click clear cache and then simply confirm, and it will clear your cache and restart your Steam. And after restart your Steam, then try to download the game. If that doesn't work, the next thing you wanna do is go to search, type in settings. Once in settings, you want to go to privacy and security, Windows security, virus and threat protection. Now click here, manage settings. Now you want to turn off the real-time protection and then click yes. Exit out of it. It will automatically turn this off also for devs. So turn this off, open a new Chrome tab and type 1.1.1.1 and it will prompt you to this Cloudflare site. And you want to download the one for Windows. And when you download it, you simply install it. You go through the installation, and after it's done installing, it will ask you what do you want. Do you want a web browse or the other thing? You want to click the web browse, and I already have it installed, so I'll show you now. Cloudflare. You want to open it and you simply click connect. After connecting, you want to go to search, type in PowerShell. And you want to open it as an administrator. Now in here, you want to copy this command, the first command. I'll link it down below. So you want to copy it, paste it, and then press enter and let it run. After it's done running, you want to restart your Steam. And after restart your Steam, try downloading the game again. Now, after restarting the Steam, it still doesn't work. The next thing you want to do is copy the second command and you want to paste it, and it will automatically restart the Steam and start it back again. Now if it doesn't work after the second restart, you want to do it one more time with the third command. So the second time, once it restarts, try downloading. If it doesn't work, you want to copy the third command. So you copy the third command into the power tool and let it restart the Steam again. And after it restarts the Steam again, you should be able to download your game and everything should be working fine. That's it for this video. That's how you fix no licenses error in Steam Tools. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.